Nakiisa ang publiko sa ikatlong at huling araw ng Indonesia Expo 2024 na ginanap sa Palm Drive Activity Center, Glorieta 2, Makati City. Ayon kay Mr. Martin Pandapotan, ang Trade Attaché ng Ministry of Foreign Affairs Embassy of Indonesia, Manila, layo ng Indonesia Expo na maipakilala ang kultura at mga produktong mula sa Indonesia. Sinabi ni Pandapotan na 3 taon na nilang ginagawa ang nasabing aktibidad na binubuo na mahigit 30 distributor o Filipino importers upang mapakilala sa publiko ang mga produktong gawa ng Indonesian katulad na lamang ng tolak angin at ang iba pang mga produkto. Narito at pakinggan natin ang pahayag ni Pandapotan.
The best Indonesian product in the Philippines. So we want to offer Filipino public, Filipino businessmen the best from Indonesia. The quality, the authenticity, and of course, the best product experience that customer can get from Indonesia. Not also that, this exhibition, this expo also support by our cultural performance that make it more happier, merrier, and also will increase the friendship between the two countries.
Samantala, naniniwala naman si Mr. Roel Salvador, ang Country Business Development Manager ng Sido Mutual, na malaki ang naitutulong ng tolak angin para sa mga Pilipino, partikular sa mga may karamdaman, kabilang na ang mga sinisipmura, Makati ang lalamunan, may lagnat, ubo, sipon at iba pa. Kilala na kasi ang tolak angin sa pagbibigay ng kaginhawaan sa katawan, kung saan ay kabilang sa kanilang produkto ang essential oil, liquid herbal food supplement para sa mga bata at matatanda, at maging ang herbal tolak angin peppermint candy. Ang tolak angin food supplement ay isang immune booster na maaaring inumin 1 hanggang 3 beses kada araw, habang ang essential oil naman ito ay maaaring gamitin sa kagat ng lamok, sakit ng ulo, pagkahilo, pangangati at iba pa. Target ng Sido Mutual na palawigin ang kanilang produkto upang mas lalong lumaki ang mga taong natutulungan ng Indonesian products.
Definitely we will have plans maraming plans ang Sido Mutual, especially in the Philippine market, because we believe that the product is really akap ng mga Pinoy in terms of the taste, in terms of the benefits.
Kumpiyansa si Mr. Salvador na isa ang tolak angin sa tumutulong upang tumaas ang produksyon ng bansa. Samantala sa naging pahayag naman ng co-founder at CEO ng AQA Group na si Faye Marie Arellano Martinez, binigyan din niya ang kahalagahan ng Indonesia Expo na layong matulungan ang bansa sa pag-angat ng ekonomiya.
I think the Filipinos are very open and trying really different flavors, and they all have tried our products. I think for the Indonesian products, they have been here in the Philippines, the likes of Kopiko, the likes of Tolak Angin, and then My Baby products. And I think they will really have enjoyed the taste and the flavors of Indonesia. And a good thing about our Indonesian counterparts here in the Philippines, they're providing jobs to our fellow Filipinos. So I think it's also helping our economy for that.
Nangako naman ang Sido Mutual maging ang Indonesian Embassy na magpapatuloy ang kanilang maayos at magandang serbisyo para sa kalusugan ng taong bayan at pagkakaibigan ng Pilipinas at Indonesia.
Of course, I would like to convey our gratitude to all Philippines visitors who attend our Indonesia Expo 2024. We are being blessed by your kindness, your hospitality, and of course, actually Filipino just like a brother and sister. We look alike, right? So we just like in our home. So we feel like in a home actually. So thank you again for all people who visit our expo, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope that you experience a lot of not only the product but also the culture and also the hospitality of Indonesia here. Thank you.
Okay. Makakaasa po kayo na ang Sido Mutual ay nandito sa Pilipinas para suportahan not only yung mga Pilipino but yung kalusugan ng ating bawat Pilipino. So expect more products to come, but for now please patronize po the products of Indonesia, especially Tolak Angin Herbal Liquid Supplement na sobrang ganda at sobrang maaasahan po.
At yan ang aking special report. Ito si Patrol 30 Jella Mendez nag-uulat para sa impilang metodong lakas sa DWIZ. Nagbabalita ng tama, naglilingkod ng tama.